Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Alexi, back with another video, and let me tell you, this one is going to blow your mind. Listen, we all know traveling can be stressful. The packing, the planning, the unexpected hiccups. But guys, it doesn't have to be that way. Ready to revolutionize your travel game? These 10 travel hacks will change your journey forever. We're talking simple, practical, MacGyver-level tips and tricks that will make you wonder how you ever traveled without them. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Traveler's Toolkit for more amazing tips. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, first up we gotta talk about safety. When you're traveling, especially in unfamiliar places, keeping your money safe is crucial. You're in a foreign city, maybe walking around late at night or exploring busy markets during the day. And you need to keep some emergency cash on you, right? But you don't want to make it obvious. Because let's face it, your wallet is the first place a pickpocket will check. So what do? Here's a clever trick. Grab an old chapstick tube. You know, the ones you think are empty but always have a little bit left? Clean it out thoroughly. Wash it, rinse it, and let it dry completely. We don't want soggy bills, do we? Now roll up a few bills. I'm talking 20s, 50s, maybe even 100. Enough to get you out of a jam if you need it. Then, stuff them right in that chapstick tube. Boom! Instant hidden compartment. No one's gonna suspect a thing, and you've got your emergency funds right there if you need them. It's discreet and super handy. Think about it. You're going through airport security, or navigating a crowded market. Your chapstick is the last thing anyone's worried about. It's practically invisible. It's all about being smart, being discreet, and staying one step ahead of potential thieves. This little hack can make a big difference. This is how you travel safe, people. Keep your valuables secure and enjoy your adventures with peace of mind. Next up, we're tackling the tangled mess of cords that inevitably takes over your bag. You know what I'm talking about. Headphones, chargers, that USB cable you have no idea what it goes to, but are too afraid to throw away. It's a nightmare! But fear no more, my friends, because bread tags are about to become your new best friend. Seriously, those little plastic clips were made for this. Take a bread tag, loop your cord, and snap it shut. Label it with a permanent marker if you want to be extra organized. Chargers, headphones, you name it. No more digging through your bag like a frantic raccoon. Everything is neat, organized, and easily accessible. And the best part? Bread tags are free. Next time you're at the grocery store, stock up. Your future self will thank you. Okay, let's talk luggage. We all know the feeling of dread when we open our suitcase after a long trip. You ever open your suitcase after a long flight and find your stuff all banged up? Clothes everywhere, toiletries spilled, and maybe even a broken souvenir. Yeah, not a good feeling. It's frustrating and can really put a damper on your trip. Airlines can be rough with our bags, so we gotta protect our belongings. They toss them around like they're nothing. And you know what's surprisingly good at that? Pool noodles. I'm not kidding. These colorful foam tubes are more than just pool toys. Those brightly colored foam tubes are like the unsung heroes of travel protection. They're lightweight, flexible, and super easy to cut. Just grab a pool noodle, don't worry, you don't need the whole thing, and cut it into sections. You can make as many as you need. Think about the sharp edges and corners in your suitcase, the ones that always seem to snag or crush something. Those are the spots you want to protect. Now simply wedge those pool noodle sections along the edges and corners of your suitcase. They fit snugly and stay in place. It's like creating a custom-fit, shock-absorbing lining for your belongings. Your items will be cushioned and protected from impacts. No more crushed souvenirs or broken electronics. Everything stays in place and arrives in one piece. Your stuff arrives safe and sound just like you, so next time you pack, remember the humble pool noodle. It might just save your trip. Alright, let's talk about keeping your valuables safe while traveling. You don't want to be flashing around expensive jewelry or wads of cash, right? You want to be smart, discreet, and that's where this next hack comes in. The sunglasses case valuables vault. Think about it, everyone has sunglasses, right? It's an unassuming accessory that doesn't scream steal me. So grab an old sunglasses case, you know, the one from the pair you lost months ago, and give it a new life as a secret compartment for your valuables. Small, easily concealable, and the perfect place to stash your rings, earrings, or even some extra cash. Keep it in your carry-on, your purse, or even your back pocket. It's all about being inconspicuous and keeping your valuables close. Next up, we're talking about being prepared for the unexpected. Look, accidents happen, especially when you're traveling. A blister from walking all day, a small cut, you never know. But carrying a whole first aid kit, that's bulky and unnecessary. So what's the solution? A mint tin. Yeah, you heard that right. Those little metal tins that hold your breath mints are the perfect size for a mini first aid kit. Clean it out, give it a good wash, and then stock it up with the essentials. Band-aids, antibiotic ointment, pain relievers, maybe even a sewing needle and some thread. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or purse, but trust me, having those essential items on hand can be a lifesaver when you're on the go. Remember, it's all about being prepared for anything. Let's be real for a second. No one wants to deal with stinky shoes stinking up their clean clothes in their suitcase. It's just gross. But here's a simple and surprisingly effective solution. Shower caps. Yeah, those flimsy little caps you find in hotel bathrooms are about to become your new best travel buddy. Before you pack your shoes, give them a quick wipe down, just to get rid of any loose dirt or debris, and then slip them into a shower cap. The shower cap acts as a barrier, keeping any dirt or odor from transferring onto your clothes. Plus, it keeps your shoes together and organized in your suitcase. No more loose shoelaces getting caught on everything. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 7, Pillowcase Laundry Bag. Okay, let's talk about laundry. When you're traveling light, doing laundry isn't always at the top of your to-do list. But guess what? You can easily separate your dirty clothes from your clean ones without having to pack a separate laundry bag. The secret? A pillowcase? Think about it, you're already packing a pillowcase, right? So why not put it to double duty as a laundry bag? Just flip your pillowcase inside out, to keep things hygienic, and use it to store your dirty clothes. It's a simple, space-saving solution that keeps your clean clothes fresh and your dirty clothes contained. No more mixing them up in your suitcase and ending up with a mismatched outfit disaster. Alright, let's talk about packing light. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, packing efficiently is key. Every little bit of space counts when you're trying to fit everything into your carry-on, right? You want to make sure you have all your essentials without overstuffing your bag, and one thing that always seems to take up more space than it should is toothpaste. Those bulky tubes can be a real hassle. But fear no more, my friends, because I've got the ultimate space-saving hack. Toothpaste Dots. These little wonders are a game-changer for any traveler. It's exactly what it sounds like. Tiny, pre-portioned dots of toothpaste that you can easily carry with you. Grab a sheet of wax paper, the kind you use for baking, and lay it out on a flat surface. This will be your workspace. Now squeeze out small dots of toothpaste onto the wax paper. Make sure they're evenly spaced. Don't make them too big, just enough for 1 or 2 brushings. This way, you can control your usage and avoid waste. Let the dots dry completely. This might take a few hours or overnight, and then peel them off the wax paper. They should come off easily once they're fully dry. Voila! You've got yourself lightweight, portable toothpaste dots that take up a fraction of the space of a regular toothpaste tube. Perfect for any trip, big or small. Next up, we're talking about keeping your drinks and snacks cool on the go. Now, you could buy those bulky ice packs, but why waste your money when you can make your own for free? All you need is a Ziploc bag and a sponge. Seriously, it's that simple. Wet the sponge thoroughly, making sure it's soaked but not dripping. Then, wring out any excess water and place the sponge in the Ziploc bag. Seal the bag tightly, squeezing out as much air as possible. Now toss that bad boy in the freezer overnight, and by morning you've got yourself a reusable ice pack that's ready to keep your drinks and snacks cool all day long. It's a cheap, easy, and eco-friendly alternative to those single-use ice packs. Let's face it, airplane food isn't exactly known for its flavor. And when you're traveling on a budget, eating out for every meal isn't always an option. But that doesn't mean you have to settle for bland and boring food. With this next hack, you can add a burst of flavor to your meals wherever you go. Remember Tic Tacs? Those little breath mints that come in those satisfyingly clicky containers? Well, those containers are about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. Empty out a Tic Tac container, or better yet, eat all the Tic Tacs, and give it a good wash. Now fill it up with your favorite spices. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper. The possibilities are endless. It's a compact, convenient, and TSA-approved way to bring your favorite flavors with you wherever you travel. And there you have it, folks. 10 travel hacks that will transform your journey from stressful to seamless. These are the kind of tips and tricks that separate the seasoned travelers from the rookies. Thanks for watching. If you found these travel hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Traveler's Toolkit. Safe travels and see you in the next video.